How to add someone on Snapchat without them knowing. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to add someone on Snapchat without them knowing. So first is you have to make sure that your Snapchat application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and type in Snapchat. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I do not have an update button, which means that my Snapchat application is updated. Now, if your application is updated, we can now start in our tutorial. So first, you have to go to the home page and directly go to Snapchat. Now, our goal here is to add the person without them letting to know that we actually directly added them. So it will look like this. What we're going to do next is on the upper right, you will see a plus sign there and add friend. Then here you will see add friends. Now all you have to do is to type in the person's name. As you can see here, our goal is with our goal is to not let them know that we search them via username. So as you can see here, Snapchat notifies the person how they added you. As you can see, look at the as you can see under added me, so they added me by search. So that is our goal. They must receive a notification that we are added by search and not by username. So let's find for a Jessica here. And as you can see, there are a lot of Jessica here. As you can see, let's say Jessica Carbon. Let's go for Jessica Carbon. So if you want to add that person, you must search for the name above and not for the name below. So we have to really search for the whole name. And as you can see, she will actually pop out. And if you add that person, they will be notified that they were added by search and not by username. And basically, that is how you add someone on Snapchat without them knowing. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Please leave any questions you may have in the comment section and have a great day.